Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online that pay very well? Do you want to make substantially $49 an hour from the comfort of your home? Well, get ready. I'm about to introduce you to a world of opportunities. Welcome to the lucrative realm of online surveys. In today's digital age, companies are looking for your opinion as it pertains to their products, and they're willing to pay you top dollar for it. Whether you are passionate about consumer needs, technology, healthcare, retail, any of those things, as well as radio and television. Companies are looking for you. There's a survey out there for you. Let's get into it. First up, we have market research firms. These giants like Nielsen, Kantar, and Ipsos specialize in gathering consumer input and insight. By signing up with these companies, you'll gain access to high-paying survey jobs that tailor to your individual needs and interests. For instance, Nielsen will pay you for your opinion on television and radio. Ipsos, which is a global company, will pay you for your opinion on healthcare or possibly technology or finance. And they also have an area of public affairs. So Kantar offers global opportunities too. They will pay you well for your opinion in the retail space or technology, healthcare, or even the automotive space as well. These are opportunities that you can make great money, $49 an hour or greater in an area of interest. But that's not all. Have you heard of focus groups? These in-depth conversations and discussions bring people together with the same interest to explore specific topics. And guess what? They pay handsomely for your opinion and your involvement. FindFocusGroup.com is a very popular focus group website that connects people with focus group opportunities. These opportunities could be local as well as online. You can search for available studies or surveys based on location or compensation, so you can actually look and see what they're actually paying or search by that number as well, or that amount. This website updates their information very often and have available opportunities across various industries. So there's a huge opportunity to do more than one type of focus group or survey. Focusgroup.com is another website where you can find focus group activities and opportunities as well. You can sign up and actually receive notifications when available surveys are offered. The only difference about focusgroup.com, they offer opportunities for you to come in person and do a survey on site. They also offer opportunities to do telephone surveys, which is a great opportunity for those of you that don't mind getting on the phone. Both of these platforms are very reputable, and it's a way for you to find opportunities to make great money in a focus group environment where they pay you extremely for your insight and your time. Remember to thoroughly review each opportunity to ensure that it is exactly what you're looking for and an area of interest. This will make it extremely easy for you to provide insight and feedback in a given area. Now let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer aren't just for graphic designers or writers. They're also treasure troves for survey-related gigs as well. From market research to data analysis gigs, you'll find plenty of opportunities to get work on these platforms. Not to mention, you'll be able to garner a very competitive wage. Last but not least, UserTest can provide many opportunities to complete surveys. Picture this: you visit a website or you use a new app and your feedback helps shape the future of that product. Not to mention you're getting paid very well to provide that feedback. Pretty cool, right? Platforms like usertesting.com makes this happen by connecting global testers with organizations and businesses. They pay you for providing your valuable insight regarding their product. Now, these products can range not only from a website or an app, but it could be mobile apps or products that they would like to sell in the near future across multiple platforms. Say you could be testing something for healthcare, and who knows, it could possibly lead to something in business or banking. There's no limit regarding what it is that you'll be providing feedback. But the great thing about that is that you don't get bored because it's not the same thing every survey. Each survey is made differently and will need your insight in a different way. So whether you're a student looking to make extra cash, or a parent juggling your life responsibilities, or a person with some extra time to spare, online surveys offer a flexible way to boost your income very quickly. Start earning today. Until next time.